Welcome, I'm Josie. Today we're diving into the planet's most mysterious voids, enigmatic holes and cracks that have puzzled scientists and inspired legends. From Siberia's frozen tundra to the Caribbean's blue depths, each site holds a unique, unsolved puzzle. Let's begin our descent into the unknown. In Siberia's tundra, massive craters have erupted in the permafrost, violent, explosive events that leave gaping wounds in the earth. Scientists believe thawing permafrost releases methane, causing these sudden explosions, but the exact triggers and locations remain a mystery. These craters are stark reminders of our changing climate and the Earth's unpredictable power. Nestled in the heart of Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, a place of serene beauty and untouched wilderness, lies a geological enigma. Here, the mighty Brule River, a waterway carving its path through ancient rock, performs a peculiar feat. It splits. One half of the river without hesitation flows onward, continuing its journey towards Lake Superior. The other half, however, embarks on a far more mysterious path, plunging dramatically into the Devil's Kettle. It vanishes completely, disappearing into the dark abyss as if swallowed by the earth itself. For decades, scientists and curious onlookers alike have tried to unravel this watery riddle, conducting countless experiments, pouring in vibrant dyes, hoping to trace the water's secret route, tossing in various objects from ping-pong balls to small trinkets, all in an attempt to see where they might reappear, even deploying sophisticated GPS trackers. But all efforts have ultimately failed to reveal the ultimate destination, where the water ultimately goes. Some scientists, driven by logic and reason, suggest that it likely rejoins the main river through a hidden underground channel unseen and undetected, but as of yet, no concrete proof exists to confirm this theory. And so, the Devil's Kettle remains, a captivating illusion, a source of endless fascination and speculation, a river's vanishing act performed in plain sight, defying explanation. Nature's secrets, it seems, are often the most stubbornly guarded, and can be hidden in the most visible places, challenging our understanding of the world around us. Just off the vibrant coast of Belize, a mesmerizing wonder awaits. It's known as the Great Blue Hole, a breathtaking, almost perfectly circular marine sinkhole that plunges deep into the ocean's embrace. From above, its sheer scale is awe-inspiring, stretching over 300 meters wide, a colossal circle etched into the turquoise waters. Descending into its depths, it reaches an astonishing 124 meters, a seemingly bottomless abyss beckoning exploration. But this isn't just any hole in the ocean floor. Once, long ago, it was a vast and intricate limestone cave system adorned with stunning formations. As the Earth's climate shifted and sea levels rose dramatically, the cave system succumbed to the encroaching waters, collapsing and flooding over millennia. This cataclysmic event, however, had an unexpected consequence, preserving ancient stalactites, frozen in time beneath the waves. These submerged formations offer invaluable insights into our planet's past, holding geological secrets waiting to be deciphered. Recent expeditions into the blue hole's inky depths have revealed fascinating discoveries, including toxic layers, hinting at unique chemical processes. Even more intriguing are the mysterious tracks found at its bottom, strange markings etched into the deep sea floor, their origins still unknown. Could these be evidence of undiscovered creatures lurking in the abyss, hinting at unknown life forms adapted to this extreme environment? The Great Blue Hole holds untold stories within its depths, a captivating enigma that continues to intrigue scientists and explorers alike. More than just a geological formation, the Great Blue Hole is a time capsule, preserving echoes of the past and offering glimpses into the unknown future of our planet. It stands as a testament to the power of nature and a constant reminder, challenging us to explore its silent blue depths and unlock its secrets. Deep in Siberia's Taiga, the Pomsky Crater rises, a massive cone-shaped mound of shattered limestone, origin unknown. It's not volcanic nor a typical impact site. Theories range from meteorites to gas eruptions, but none fit perfectly. Local legends speak of curses, and the mound's subtle movements only deepen the mystery. Deep within the heart of Turkmenistan's expansive Karakum Desert, a seemingly endless sea of sand stretches towards the horizon, concealing secrets both ancient and modern. Lies the Darvaza gas crater, a place ominously known around the world as the door to hell, a fiery pit that has captured the imagination and sparked curiosity. This mesmerizing yet daunting spectacle has burned continuously for over 50 years, an unrelenting testament to a past decision. The crater's origin traces back to a drilling accident during the Soviet era. a time of ambitious exploration and resource extraction. In an attempt to mitigate the environmental impact of escaping natural gas, engineers made a fateful decision: they set it alight. The expectation was that the gas would burn out within a matter of weeks, a temporary solution to a pressing problem. However, against all predictions, it's still blazing with incredible intensity decades later, defying expectations and captivating onlookers. The fire's persistence serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of the Earth. The sheer volume of gas fueling this eternal flame and the vast, largely unquantified gas reserves that lie deep below the surface continue to puzzle scientists and researchers. Today, this seemingly endless inferno stands as a unique, albeit unintentional monument to human error. It is also a powerful symbol of the Earth's raw, untamed energy, a force that both sustains and humbles us. The legend of Mel's Hole in Washington blurs fact and folklore, a bottomless pit, said to defy physics and logic. Tales of infinite depth, paranormal events and government cover-ups have never been verified. No evidence or location has ever been found. Geologists dismiss it as impossible. Mel's Hole is a mystery of storytelling, a void that exists only in our imagination. Oman's Bimma sinkhole, or Hawiyat Najm, is a stunning limestone bowl filled with turquoise water, formed by the collapse of rock above an underground tunnel. Its perfect shape and sudden appearance have inspired legends of falling stars and demons. Science explains its formation, but the timing and the tunnel's secrets remain unknown. Here, science and myth blend in a tranquil oasis. Our journey through the Earth's enigmas ends, but the mysteries remain. Each hole and crack is a portal to deeper understanding, and more questions. What do you think lies beneath these voids? Share your theories and stories below. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe and join our community of curious minds. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.